So our topic for today is all about, guess what? It's all about what's up in the space, like the solar system. Okay, so what do you think? What are the things that you can see in the solar system?
The
Uh-huh.
the
Okay.
Jupiter,
All right. The sun. What else?
sun, moon,
Okay.
stars,
Yes.
the the different planets.
Yes. Okay. So you have mentioned about the planets, the different planets. Okay. So how many planets do you know are there in the solar system?
3,
Was it three? Okay. Let us know later. Okay. So what do you think the planet that we are living on?
Earth. Oh,
Earth.
4.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what is up in the space? But before we answer this one, what can you see during daylight?
Sun,
Okay. What else? Anything that you could see?
clouds,
Yes, the clouds. What else? Any more? You can see the different birds flying up in the sky, right? What about at night? What can you see at night?
moon,
Yes.
stars,
Okay.
and
Could
that's all I know.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so could you or have you tried counting the stars? Have you
No,
not yet? Okay. Okay. So let us answer this one. Okay, so what is up in the space or in the sky? Okay, so these are the different things that can be seen in the solar system. So first one is, you are correct, you have mentioned about the moon. Okay, so basically you can see the moon at night. All right. Next one is, of course, the stars twinkling at night. Next one is the planets, the different planets. You are correct again. And, of course, the sun, which is at the center of our solar system. So it says here that the sun is a giant star. All right. Next, so what is a solar system? So basically, solar system, it is where you can see the different planets, the sun, the moon, the stars. Okay, but there's one more thing here. The solar system is a group of planets and moons that travel around the sun. All right. Next one is, all right. So I have asked you before, how many planets in our solar system that you know? All right, so it says here, this one. It says here that there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay? And our solar system was formed around 4.6 billion years ago. Okay. Let's discover more. Okay. So this is our sun. The sun is a large star which located at the center of our solar system. Okay, next one, the first planet is the Mercury. As you can see here, after the sun, here comes the Mercury, the first planet or the planet which is closest to the sun or the nearest to the sun. Next one. Next
Jupiter,
to no. Next to Mercury is the Venus. Okay.
Venus,
Yeah. Next to Mercury is the Venus. Next one, the third planet is the Earth. The Earth is the planet. Yes. The Earth is the planet where we live on. Okay.
the the the
Okay.
the the Jupiter is like so big.
Yes, it's just
Like
like so big.
more big
Yes.
than the
Okay. It's more bigger than the sun. Or I mean, it's more bigger than the earth. Sorry. Okay, so it says here on the top, just under the 3/4 of our planet is water and the rest is land. So as far as I know, earth is composed of 70% water and 30% land. All right. Next to Earth is the Mars. Next to the Earth is the Mars. The planet Mars is sometimes known as the red planet. Yeah. Yes, this is the red planet or the Mars because of its red soil.
red soil.
Yeah, very good. Another one is the Jupiter. The Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, but not as big as our sun. Okay, it is just the biggest or largest planet in our solar system. Okay, next to Jupiter is Saturn. Are you familiar with this planet? Saturn. Saturn looks like it has rings around it. So these rings, yes, it has a ring.
Made out of rock.
Yes. Okay, so these rings are made up from rocks and
Rock.
gas. Okay.
Rock.
All right, very good.
Rock.
Yeah, so Saturn, it made up of gas and rocks. Okay, next to Saturn is Uranus. Uranus is a planet and it cannot be seen from Earth without a telescope. So if you are from the Earth, you cannot see Uranus unless you will be using a telescope. Okay. Have you ever tried using a telescope?
No.
Not yet. Okay. Next to Uranus is the Neptune. Neptune. Okay. Are you familiar with this planet?
Yes.
Okay. So the Neptune, the planet Neptune is the farthest from the sun. It is also the coldest planet.
I want to be a Neptune.
You want to go there?
Yes.
Okay. You want to be an astronaut, I guess?
Like I just want to be cold. Super cold.
Okay. If you will be given a chance to go in the solar system, do you want to take it, the opportunity to go there?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, okay. So what will you do first?
Go.
Yes.
Go see the Jupiter.
Okay. You want to go to the biggest planet. What about in the moon? Do you want to go there also?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. All right. So what is a moon? Let's go to the moon. So a moon, okay, a moon is made of rock, not cheese. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the moon is natural satellite, which means it has always been there. Okay. And of course, the moon travels around the earth, which takes 28 days for the moon to travel around the earth. It looks like it's far, right? Okay.
I am gonna eat. I am gonna eat the moon.
Wait. All right, next one. Yes. So we have mentioned this one, so that the moon is around 4.5 billion years ago. All right, I have a question here. How many days does the moon travels around the earth? Again?
28.
28. All right. It's almost a month. Okay.
It's almost a month.
Yeah, it's almost a month. How many days in 1 month? there are 30, right? There are 30 days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just like 2 more days and 1 month for me.
Mm-hmm. All right, another one. So there's a question here. How big are the planets? How big are the planets? Let us see. Okay. So the Jupiter is the biggest among the planets, but it is not as big as the sun. Okay, yeah, very good. Another. So we have here some quiz. Do you want to take this one to answer?
Can you?
Yeah. Okay, so what is the name of the planets that we live on? All right, very good. You are correct. The Earth. Correct. Next one. Let's go to question number 2. What is at the center of our solar system? Okay.
Sun?
The sun. Let us see if this is the sun. All right, correct. Next one. Number 3 is, which planet is the nearest to the sun? Is it the Mercury, the Mars, and the Neptune?
One?
Let us see if it is Mars.
No.
Oh, no. Try again. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. Okay, so what should be your answer? Oh. All right, so what should be? Is it Mercury or Neptune?
Mercury.
Is this Mercury? Let us see. Yes, correct. So the Mercury is the closest from the sun. All right, next is, okay, so what orbits our Earth?
Moon?
Is it the moon? Let us see. All right, correct. Next one, number 5 is, what can you see twinkling at night?
Stars.
The stars, okay. All right. Let's go to the other one.
The star.
All right. So I have here, actually this is a game quiz. So this is all about the space. Yeah. This is all about what am I in the space? Okay. So let us start. So instruction here. So each slide shows a different object that can be found in the space. So, yeah. All right. So what am I? What do you think
Mars.
is this planet?
Mars?
Yes, very good. Next one. What about this?
Moon?
The moon? All right. Next one. What about this one? Is this a Jupiter, a galaxy, or a comet?
Comet.
A comet. Is this a comet? Wow, very good. Another one. What about this? What do you call the planet that has a ring around it?
It's a Saturn.
It's a Saturn. Let us see. Yes, correct. Next one. What about this? Is it the moon? The Milky Way?
That one.
Milky Way. Okay, let us try Milky Way. Yes, very good. So the Milky Way galaxy looks like this one. All right, what about this?
Sun.
The sun, of course. Okay. What about this one?
Earth.
The Earth. Okay. Great. What about this?
And
Mm-hmm.
an asteroid.
Asteroid. Do you know what are asteroids?
Yes.
Yes, what are asteroids?
Like big rocks
Okay.
in space.
All
Big rock
right. Very good. All right. What are these?
planets.
These are planets. Okay. Have you done this topic before?
No.
Not yet. Oh, all right. What about this one? There is the sun
The
and the different planets. What do you call this one again?
the the
Is it the solar system?
yes, that one.
Okay. The solar system, it composed of the sun, the moons, and varieties of planets. Very good. Okay. Next, I have here another space quiz. Let us try to answer. All right. So we have talked about the solar system, right? Before we answer this one, how many planets are there again?
8.
8 planets. Okay, very good. Another one. I will ask you some questions. What about how old is the solar system? Do you still remember? No? Okay. Let us go back later. What about this one again? Which planet is the closest to the sun?
C.
All right, C, Mercury. What about this? What do you think is the sun?
B.
Is it a B planet?
B B B B B B B B B B.
Is a sun a planet? It is a star, right? A sun is a giant star, which located at the center of the solar system. What about this? Which planet is known for having rings around it? Is it the Jupiter,
Venus.
the Venus, or Saturn?
B.
Uh-huh.
B.
Let us see. Which planet is known for having rings around it? It's the Saturn. Okay, do not forget that. The Saturn is the only planet which has the rings around it. What about this one? Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Would you try to guess it? Is it A,
C.
B, or C?
A.
Is it A? What is your final answer?
B.
Okay, let us try to answer this one. Okay, so who was the first person to walk on the moon? Is it A, B, or C? What should be the
B.
answer? It's letter D, Neil Armstrong. Okay, do you want to be an astronaut? Those people who are going to the moon are called as astronauts, right? Yes. What about this? What is the largest planet again? All right. Very good. The largest planet is the Jupiter. Okay. Would you try to rearrange these letters to make a word? Number 1, it is a planet.
Neptune.
Okay. What about letter B? Would you try to rearrange?
THCHLES. What's that?
Did you try to form a word?
I only know A and C.
A and C. What about letter C?
Now I forgot again.
Okay, let us try. Okay, so number 1 is Neptune. You are correct. What about letter B? Ah, it's a shuttle. Shuttle. And letter C, A, is a spaceman. Okay, a spaceman is also called as astronaut. Those are the people going to the space. What about this one? Could you complete this sentence? The moon blank the earth.
C.
Letter C, orbits. Okay. The moon orbits or travels the earth. What about this one? What do you think is the name of the famous British astronaut?
That is my brother's name.
Okay. Where? Your brother's name
Tim.
is Tim. Oh, wow. Okay, so could you guess? What do you think is the name of the famous British astronaut?
Tim Henman.
Is it Tim Henman, Tim Top, or Tim Pig?
B.
Letter?
B.
Oh, it's Tim Pig. All right. So Tim Pig is the name of the famous British astronaut. Okay. What about this one? What do you call our galaxy? Letter A. All right. Okay. Okay. Not a chocolate bar. It's a Milky Way. All right. What else do you want to know about this space again?
What
else?
What is the end of the space galaxy? What is the end of the Milky Way? Like,
what is? Again?
What is the end of the Milky Way?
What is the end of the Milky Way? Am I right?
Yes.
What do you mean end?
Like go in. Like go in and go to the end. Go to the end of the Milky Way.
What is the end of the Milky Way? Okay. Before I answer that one, actually, I am not a science major, but I will help you answer that one. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna show you something. Oh. No. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna show you. All right. Okay, let us search that one. That was the great question. All right. So there are facts about Milky Way. So Milky Way, all right. Okay. So if you want to know something about the solar system, just go with this website and you will know something or a lot in here. All right. So I have searched the interesting facts about the Milky Way galaxy. All right. So this is all about for kids. All right. So there are
30.6 billion years.
Yes. The age of our Milky Way galaxy is about 13.6 billion years ago. So I think your question.
Math?
Let us.
I'm learning science already. Math.
Let us try. Okay. Let us try to ask here. Ask Google your question. What is the end, right?
Of the Milky Way.
Okay. All right. So what is the end of the Milky Way galaxy? It says here that 4 billion years from now, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with our large spiral neighbor Andromeda. Oh my gosh. Will collide, meaning, what do you mean by collide? Collide meaning what? What do you mean by collide? Collide is?
700 billion stars?
Yes. Okay, so collide meaning it will hit with force when moving. Okay, so 4 billion years from now, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will hit our large spiral neighbor, Andromeda. So what is Andromeda? Have you ever... Yes,
Andromeda?
Andromeda Galaxy. Okay, so it's here. Andromeda Galaxy. Okay, so let us try this one. Let's try Britannica.
I've seen that in YouTube.
Okay, you have seen it. All right. All right, so it's here. Okay. Okay. So if you have ever seen this one, so what do you know about this galaxy?
Like,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
don't
And?
know, like, how it is, but I have seen it.
Uh-huh. Okay. So it says here that Andromeda Galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy, and it is the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way. Okay. So and it says it says here also that 4 billion years ago from now, it will collide. So what will happen to Earth?
Stay still.
Uh-huh.
Milky Way, Milky Way, Milky Way.
Let us try again about solar system.
I want to watch.
All right.
I want to watch.
Oh, no.
Huh?
Wait.
Huh? Otter?
There are lots of informations here.
Oh, we're gonna watch a video. Oh, different image. Games?
Yes. Actually, oh, yeah. Okay. So there are several things to do here. So there are things to be learned. There are things to do, multimedia for educators or teachers. And of course, there are several games to do here. All right. So if you want to know
clean
more,
and craft. I want to do clean and craft.
okay. Do you mean this one? Catch the
and
craft? Okay. You can search this one using your iPad or your laptop so that you can play with it. There are many things to do in here. Okay.
Milky Way.
There are also Milky Way maps and space memory game. Yes. And then this one. Ah, it looks like interesting. Okay. You want to try to look up this website? These are for kids. These are made for kids. What about this one? Space Cleanup and Solar System Explorer. What is this? It looks like you are very interested in this one. Am I right?
Yes, I want to see the Milky Way.
Okay. There are other things. I forgot the website already. Wait.
Models up for kids. I want to watch the video. Naya.
This is the NASA Science. Yeah.
NASA.
Yes.
NASA?
This is the space place from NASA.
Games.
Yes. You wanna do this one again?
I want to do games.
All right. There are also games here, craft, activities, videos. You can do it on your own so that you can play on your own. Okay.
I want to do.
So what is up on the game? There's many things in this one. Okay. All right, this one, it looks like they are colliding. Right, and
I want to play it.
you want to play it? Maybe you can grab your iPad or your laptop so that you can play on yourself.
And I am using my iPad right now.
Oh, okay. After this one, you can go to this website and play on yourself. All right. Okay. Just copy the website.
Snap it?
Yep. Snap it. An Eclipse Photo Adventure. Okay. It's interesting in here. I think you will enjoy with this one. Yes. Yeah, it's good.
Even blah blah blah.
These are for kids. Really.
I want to do it now.
Yeah, you want to do it now. Okay.
CubeSat Builder.
CubeSat Builder. Okay. Next one. What about this one? Feature rule. Roman Space Observer. Okay. There are many things to do in here. Coral bleaching in Mars photo booth. What about this?
So cool.
Yeah. If you want to explore about the solar system, the moons, the planets, you can go in here. You can reach varieties of information. Okay. All right. And you can watch several videos in here. There are 3D. They are portraying 3D. What is this? Okay. Yep.
Loading.
Okay. It's loading.
Mars Laboratory.
Okay. What do you call this one? This is Perseverance. It is called as Perseverance. It looks like a robot. Actually, it is. Okay. So this is the Zero Crater who landed on the red planet. What do you call the red planet again? The red planet is the Mars. All right. So this, yes. So Ah, all right. So this robot landed in or on Mars. Okay. Okay, so this image shows the remains of an ancient delta in Mars, the Zero crater. Okay. It really looks like you are very interested in this
Color
one.
your noodle. Hello.
Oh,
Get in the flow.
oh,
Cubes. You will
okay.
snap it.
So in this website, you can
Earth,
search about the Earth, the Sun, the solar system, and everything. Okay. This is an all-in website. All right. So there are several questions here. So what is the atmosphere? Atmosphere
How much
is
water is on Earth?
how much water on Earth? Okay. I have mentioned you that I think that there are 70% water on Earth, but let us try to see if I am correct. All right. So Earth has a lot of water. It's one of the things that makes us big blue planet so special. Okay. So how much water is on Earth?
Why? Why is the sky blue?
Why is the sky blue? Because Earth has a lot of water. It's one of the things that makes our big blue planet so special. Okay. So in order for you to know how much water on Earth, you need to play this one. You need to watch. Okay, let us try. How much water is on Earth? Mm-hmm. 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 You cannot hear it, right?
Yes.
It is better you can do it yourself. All right. And what about this one? Why is the sky blue? Okay, so there is a short answer here. Sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. So blue light is scattered more than the other colors. Okay, because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky. Ah, all right. So why is the sky blue? Because blue light.
But